a lot of people do not know what a pink app is. I have gone through TikTok and people are talking about pink app. And if you ask them in the comment section, let me tell you, you will just hear people saying, oh, pink app is paying my bills. And if you ask them, what is the actual name, they will tell you to inbox them. Yes, that is how people are. The reason of them telling you to inbox them is that they want to give you a link, and that link, you're going through that link that they will give you. That is the link that will lead you to the app. But let me tell you, the real name of the app is not Pink App. They hide that pink app from you because they don't want you to know the pink app that they are actually making money. But in today's video, I want to show you that pink app that they normally hide. Yes, so here I am going to show you that app. Yes, you're not going to pay me anything, no. But I'm going to show you that pink app. And let me tell you, these pink apps, they like, people are making money. They are like TikTok, you know, they are like TikTok whereby you can live stream and people can gift you. And if you have ever, you know, if you have ever gone for TikTok live, if you have ever opened TikTok live, you know how TikTok works. Me, I have earned money from TikTok. Yes, that one I will not deny. I have earned money from TikTok. And these people are also earning money from this pink app that they don't want to tell you, you know. And they want to hide it from you so that they will be earning money through their live stream, you know, giftings and all that, and they don't want you to know. So this app, it is a pink app and it is paying only when you go live. There is nothing like tasks, games or surveys or nothing. No, you go live, and that on live stream, people will come and gift you just like TikTok. So I want to take you through the app so that you will also have experience of the app. And note that I haven't tried the app. I haven't earned any money from the app, but people that are live are always earning money. You only earn money when you live stream. That is when you earn money. You get people who comes and gift you. So guys, let me take you. I have just opened the account. And so this is the pink app. Let me show you. This is the pink app. The app is called T Live. T Live. TILIVE Live. That is the name of that app. It is a pink app, and people are earning money when they live stream. You get people and gift you, you know, just like TikTok. When you go live, you get gifters, they gift you, you change those gifts into real money. Yeah. So, and let me tell you guys, it is not guaranteed that when you just create account that you're going to get money. No. It is like TikTok. You know, when you just go on TikTok, you are not going to get money. You must go live, stay on live, and people will come and gift you. That is how this one also works. It is a pink app. So you see all these people, these are the people that they are live. These are people who are live just like TikTok, you know. And you know, these are the monthly rewards. We have day 1 times 1. That is how it goes. It goes just like that, you know. And when you click on check in, you see, so this is the app, the live app. You see, we have Nigerians. You see, this one is a Nigeria. Yeah, this one is a Nigeria, and they are on live. You see this one here. So all these people are live. You can see we have Philippines, we have Brazil, we have Vietnam, Madagascar, Pakistan, India, Indonesia, Colombia, Ukraine, Venezuela, and others. So that means that, you know, so many people, almost all countries are eligible in this app. All countries are eligible. You see, this one is my, this is my, I have just opened the app. So this is mine, and they have given me 9 tokens. Yeah, they have given me 9 tokens. So this is how it is, just like TikTok. You see, 300, that is equivalent to 320, and they have offer. They have 60% offer. You see, it was 300 coins were equivalent to 770, but now it is 320 coins. You see, 9,000 is equivalent to 10,025. Imagine you being on a live stream and someone comes and gifts you 9,000. That is 10,250. That is Kenyan shillings. Imagine in Nigerian currency, Tanzania, or even Uganda and other African countries. You see, 4250 is equivalent to 5,140 cash. Hey guys, you see? Yeah, so let's see the bonus. Pass card, bonus, unlock plus pass card. So you just be curious to click anywhere that you can see. But if you want to go live, you will just click on here. You click on there and you will go live. You see? That is how it normally works. You click on this the video button and it is going to take you to live. And also people are, you see, people are also sending messages, just like sometimes on TikTok, people will send you, will send you messages on your inbox, This one have sent me, hi, you see, hello, nice to meet you. So these are the messages that people have sent me. I haven't replied to the messages. So you see, this is how this app works. It is just like TikTok, guys. You see, like this one is a Kenyan. You see, this one is a Kenyan. This one is also a Kenyan. This one is also a Kenyan. This one is also a Kenyan. So you see, this one is also a Kenyan. So we have so many Kenyans here. We have so many Kenyans here, you see. These ones are Kenyan. So it's about it's all about you. You see, don't say that, oh, this one is not in your country, I don't know, blah blah blah, what. It is in your country, and you can also, you see, you can also go live just like TikTok. If you have ever used TikTok, this is how this app looks like. It is an app whereby you're going to meet new people, you're going to be on live stream with people, or maybe you can live stream yourself, so you can do so many, just like TikTok. So this is the pink app that also people normally talks about. These apps are so many, but no one is going to tell you. Even if when TikTok came, so many people didn't know about TikTok. And I know very well that a lot of people were hiding TikTok from people. They didn't want people to know about TikTok because how they were benefiting. TikTok, when you go live and you get gifters, they will gift you. It is the same as this app.